Hi, this is Brad with Copper Creek Cuts, a lawn care company in Northeast Florida, and it is a miserable day here in Northeast Florida. Not a very good one for mowing, but a good one for pressure washing. So this is just a very small project. We've got a couple of ramps leading into a client's shed that we're going to pressure wash. If I'm not mistaken, this shed was built in 1980 and has never been pressure washed. So this is 40 years worth of dirt and grime and water dripping from the overhang on here. So I think it should be pretty nice to watch. We're not using any cleaning chemicals. This is just going to be water. Hope you enjoy. And even just in a couple of minutes from me trying to set everything up, we had a little downpour come through, so you're going to see me wear this high-vis jacket. Not for safety, just to keep the rain off me. Even recording because I've done this before. Okay, good. I am. Let's move on to the next one. Nah, I'm just kidding. If not, you really should. Now to mix things up, we'll use the yellow tip, so you can see that. I had a drawing challenge for Kirby. We're gonna try that. Oh, that's the most horrible thing I've ever seen. It almost looks more like a Boo off of Mario. I don't know what to tell you. I'm not an artist. Let's switch back to red. I think this is taking longer. I've got bad news. Kirby's not long for this world, so you might want to say your goodbyes. I'll give you a moment. What if we just left him? And if the client asks anything, we're like, I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, you know what? There's some kids I saw. Maybe they did some kind of vandalism or something. We can't leave him though. All right, so we are not done. Ah, bless America! I forgot this. Gah! All right, so we are done. Here are the before and afters. This was a pretty fun project because it was a smaller one. Sometimes when I'm on driveways for a few hours, I hate life and I'm like, why am I even doing this? But this one was just short enough to stay fun. And I didn't even plan on washing these doors, but I knew that if I didn't, somebody in the comments would say, oh, you should have washed those doors. So let's just take that out of the equation. And then of course, you saw I forgot to do the side panels here. So obviously not perfect, but going from 40 years of filth to this in one cleaning, I think that's pretty good, if I do say so myself. Of course, I'm a little biased. If there's any other questions I think of, I'll try and answer them down in the description, so please read there. If you like this video, here's a few more that YouTube thinks you might like. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Now I'm going home for a hot shower, and I'm not doing anything the rest of the day. I'm sure my wife will have something to say about that.